Hello viewers, welcome back to Gauri Ram's kitchen. Today we are going to see a pickle recipe. I am going to make tender mango pickle. For that I have taken 6 kgs of tender mango. I have washed them 2 to 3 times and have made them to dry in this cloth for 2 to 3 hours. Now it is more than 3 hours and tender mangoes are dry now. Make sure you buy the tender mangoes with this twig on top. Without this twig you should not buy, because we cannot store them for a long time. With this twig, if you buy, you can store them for a maximum of 1 year. Now take a basin like this. To that basin, first let's add 2 drops of castor oil. Now take some of this. Now just mix them like this. You can see that the oil is coated on all the tender mangoes. Let's add salt. For 6 kgs of tender mangoes, we have to add 1 kg of rock salt. Here I have taken 1 kg of rock salt. I am gradually adding some of them because I am going to mix them. I am not going to mix them on the whole. I am going to take some of these and I am going to mix like this and add salt little by little. Now mix them. You slowly add rock salt. Now take a drum like this or a bucket and add Now I have taken 100 grams of turmeric powder. Mix it well like this. Now close it with the lid. After 2 days we have to add chili powder. Now this is the first day of a tender mango pickle. It has been 24 hours since we have made it. I'll show you tomorrow how it is. After 2 days of soaking with salt and turmeric powder, raw mangoes, we have soaked it for 2 days and this will look like this. You can see the water has come out. For 6 kgs of tender mangoes, I have took 100 grams of mustard. I have fried them dryly without oil for 2 minutes and then grinded. Now we shall add the mustard powder. Now we shall mix them. For 6 kgs of tender mangoes, I have took 200 grams of red chilli and powdered it. After mixing the mustard powder, we'll add chili powder which we have grinded. Now mix them well. After 48 hours of adding chili powder and mustard powder, the pickle looks like this. I am going to take it into separate containers and show you. I have stored it in small containers like this for crispiness. If you want crispiness for longer time, you can store it in refrigerator by keeping it in small containers like this. See how nice it looks. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.